What news does Ethereum 2.0 bring? In this video, we explain the new updates that are happening on the Ethereum platform. Ethereum 2.0 are updates that are taking place on the Ethereum network. They are being developed by various teams in the ecosystem, and it will allow to create a more scalable, secure, and sustainable system. As we discussed in the previous video, the Ethereum platform is limited in the number of transactions per second it can handle. There is a scalability problem, which limits the future incorporation of millions of new users and decentralized applications. Ethereum 2.0 tries to solve this problem by allowing thousands of transactions to be processed per second. Ethereum 2.0 aims to scale the system, also increasing the security of the network, thus making it more unlikely and difficult for different entities to attack it to gain control. One of the biggest new features of these updates is the consensus method change, from proof of work to proof of stake. If you have not yet seen our video explaining both consensus algorithms, do not hesitate to do so. This change drastically reduces the energy consumption of the platform. The Ethereum 2.0 updates are carried out in phases. In Phase 0, implemented on December 1, 2020, the beacon chain was created, which is a blockchain parallel to the current Ethereum chain that works with the proof of stake consensus method, and is also responsible for randomly assigning validators to confirm the different blocks that are created on the same shards. Later, we explain what shards are and how they work. In order to be a validator on the beacon chain, it is required to transfer 32 ethers to a specific smart contract, and that triggers the generation of an event for the beacon chain to register that you are a part of the list of validators. You can also become a validator if you don't have that amount by joining a dedicated pool. These validators are incentivized to act in good faith, as any attempt to tamper with the network would result in something known as slashing, which is the partial or total burning of the coins deposited by the validator. At first, these validators in the beacon chain just add empty blocks or dumb blocks to the chain. In fact, you cannot dump smart contracts, dApps, or trade in this chain at the moment, until in Phase 1, the Ethereum mainnet is coupled to the beacon chain, allowing you to use this type of functionality. This phase will mark the end of the proof of work on Ethereum network. In Phase 2, once both chains have been merged, you'll be ready to create what are known as shards. Shards are not something specific to the Ethereum 2.0 update. Rather, it is a computer science concept that consists of dividing a database into different instances that contain a part of the data. Each instance is called a shard, and in Ethereum 2.0, they want to create shards of the merged chain from Phase 1, 64 shards at the beginning, to help distribute the network load. Each Ethereum node will only need to run one of the shards, so it will only need to contain a small subset of the data, making it easier for the nodes to run. The Ethereum network has managed to scale at Layer 2 using rollups, which are solutions that execute off-chain transactions, that is, outside the main chain. The rollups group several transactions together to later generate a cryptographic proof and send it to its corresponding shard. The combination of shards and rollups should result in Ethereum reaching 100,000 transactions per second. Shards can at some point be enhanced to be fully executable, in the same way as the current Ethereum chain, so you wouldn't have to resort to a Layer 2 solution to commit transactions. The implementation of this will depend on how popular shards and rollups combined are. At Yielding, you can participate in a wide range of DeFi opportunities through smart contracts and start generating passive income like never before, easy and transparent. We encourage you to be a part of this new revolution. Follow us and like us to learn more about DeFi. You can also visit the link in the video description to register on our platform and start generating passive income in the DeFi ecosystem.